The exterior of the house is a modern masterpiece that blends simplicity and elegance. The clean lines and minimalist design reflect a contemporary aesthetic, utilizing natural materials like wood, stone, and concrete to create a balanced facade. The large windows are not just functional but a statement, welcoming in natural light while providing a glimpse into the open floor plan inside. This house stands as a beacon of modern design, inviting and unassuming, yet striking in its attention to detail. Stepping into the garden, you are immediately embraced by the tranquility of nature. The well-maintained landscaping seamlessly integrates with the architecture, blurring the lines between indoors and out. The gentle rustling of leaves and the soft colors of blooming plants create a serene environment, perfect for relaxation. The garden's design emphasizes harmony, allowing nature to flow effortlessly into the home. It's a peaceful retreat that enhances the house's minimalist spirit, adding a touch of natural beauty to the modern lifestyle. From the balcony, the view is nothing short of calming. Minimalist furniture rests quietly against the backdrop of the garden below, inviting moments of quiet reflection or conversation. The seamless connection between the balcony and the natural surroundings creates a fluid transition from indoors to outdoors. This space feels like an escape from the everyday, a serene oasis elevated above the garden, where you can enjoy the fresh air, peaceful views, and a sense of openness that defines the home. The living room is a bright, inviting space filled with natural light streaming through expansive windows. The open floor plan creates a sense of freedom, where simplicity and comfort coexist. With its minimalist furniture and clean lines, the living room is the heart of the home, where function meets aesthetic. Every corner is thoughtfully designed to reduce clutter, allowing space for relaxation and connection. It's a room that radiates warmth, where the outside world feels close but never intrusive, thanks to the large windows and the view of the surrounding nature. In the kitchen, modernity meets practicality with sleek, clean lines and high-quality appliances seamlessly integrated into the design. Natural materials like stone countertops and wooden accents add warmth, while the open layout ensures a connection to the dining and living areas. This kitchen is more than just a place to cook, it's a central part of the home's flow, where family and friends can gather and share moments. Its minimalist aesthetic emphasizes efficiency, yet every detail serves a purpose, contributing to the house's overall tranquil and modern atmosphere. The bedroom is a haven of peace and serenity, designed for rest and relaxation. Large windows allow for soft, natural light to flood the space, while calming colors and minimalist decor create a sense of ease. Every element, from the uncluttered furniture to the subtle textures, has been chosen to enhance comfort. This is a space where the outside world fades away, replaced by tranquility and calm. The bedroom invites you to unwind, offering a peaceful retreat from the demands of modern life.